Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the best Discord servers for Valorant that you guys can join in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you guys can see here, I have my Discord open, and I really like to use this little tool called disboard.org. And what it is it's a collection or a database for all Discord servers that tie in with different topics or different games, I should say. So in this case, we're doing Valorant, and as you guys can see, what this little tool or website does is it lists all of the statistics for each server that has to do with Valorant. So as an example, I have Valorant right here as a tag, and you can do stuff like organize it accordingly by member count or activity or even the server language. So I obviously want to opt for English here, so you guys can click on the server language drop down menu just like so, and then select English just like this. And what this tool is going to do is it's going to pull up all of the relevant servers that have to do with Valorant. So here you get to basically make your choice. So here's one, there's Espresso, it's community for Discord and Valorant that has 17 players online at the moment. So this is is the most recent one, but it doesn't seem to be very active. Nevertheless, it is a public server that you guys can join. So reading the description for this, you can join with friends, have active chats, play Valorant, Roblox together, Fortnite, whatnot. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys are looking to form a couple of groups for gaming, or are looking to climb ranked with some friends or some people that you meet that you come across in the server, then here's the thing, here's where you want to be at. So this little tool right here, disboard.org. And additionally, you could even subcategorize it based on how many players are online. So if you want to join a big server, this one would be the one to go to. So Celestia is one. And if you read the description, they go Celestia is a Genshin-based gaming community which harbors people from many parts of the world, giveaways, blah blah. And I'm pretty sure Valorant is also part of the games that this server plays, because you can see the tag right here. So if you guys wanted to join this, you simply want to click on join server, and you'd be redirected to their websites or their join link or their invite link, I should say, this one right here, and simply click on accept invite, and you'll be a part of their group pretty soon. Now here you get to make friends and play Valorant with them and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's the video. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.